I get a lot of Miranda questions, and I think the most common one is, hey, John, I wasn't read my Miranda warnings. Is this case going to get thrown out? And my answer is, well, I mean, probably not. But yes, if your case involves a confession, right? Because the Miranda warnings don't have anything to do with your arrest. If you're arrested for something and they didn't read your Miranda, they don't have to read you your Miranda. But if you start talking and you start supplying information and you're in their custody and you're being interrogated about a crime, you have to be warned. Under the law, you have to be warned that you have the right to remain silent, that all this stuff you're saying is going to be used against you, and you have to be told that you have the right to an attorney. Somebody like me, and if you can't afford me, they'll give you a free lawyer. You have to be told that before you start talking. But a lot of cases, Miranda is not required because you didn't confess to the crime. They might, if it's like a shoplifting and they've got you on video not scanning the items or concealing the items, they might just put handcuffs on you and you never said, yeah, I did it. You never confessed to anything, and they don't need to read you your Mirandas. It's not required that you get read your Miranda rights, but they are extremely important rights and you should follow them. And if the cops don't do their job and warn you that you have the right to remain silent and you start talking to them, right? That is going to be a problem for the cops and the prosecutors, because we will try to get all those statements of yours suppressed based on the fact that you weren't warned before you started talking that this stuff could be used against you, and you weren't told that you had the right to have an attorney there while you were talking about it. So these are important, but whether it's going to get your case dropped or not because you weren't read your rights, well, that's hard to say.